What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when your download is stuck or slow on macOS Ventura. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, while using your Mac, open up your activity monitor by searching for it in your Spotlight search. On this window, navigate to the network section. This will allow you to preview and troubleshoot all processes using your network connection on your Mac. In my example, the Chrome browser, Steam and Epic Games launchers, or updates for the Creative Cloud application could bottleneck my network connection and cause downloads to be stuck. Make sure to completely close these applications. Click on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and click on Force Quit. A list of running applications will show up. Select each and click on Force Quit, or use the shortcut Command and Q. If the download problem persists, then make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. Test and troubleshoot your connection by using a speed testing site or application such as Speed Test. Here, you can preview your average upload and download speed, as well as your server latency. If your latency is above 100 milliseconds, or if you experience an unreliable download speed, then you should make a few changes to your connection. Reduce the amount of devices using the same network connection, and restart your router or modem in case you haven't done this in a while. When this is done, and your download is still stuck or very slow, then make sure that you have enough storage left on your Mac. Open up your system settings. In case your settings look a bit different on your device, then make sure that you're running the latest macOS version. In the General section, click on Storage. Here, make sure that you have enough storage left to download your files. You can follow the storage recommendations, such as emptying your bin or allowing your Mac to automatically optimize your storage to free up some space. Next, back in your General settings, click on Software Update. Here, proceed to download the latest update before restarting your Mac. A system restart can, in a lot of cases, help fix the download problem, but you will be required to restart the download from its source. In some cases, applications such as Steam, the Creative Cloud, or Google Chrome allow you to change the app's download settings. In this example, I will show you how to edit your Steam download settings. Open up the app and navigate to its settings. Here, in the download section, make sure that the download region is set to a server location near you. You can also switch the download region to a different server that is still close to you. Below, you can limit your download bandwidth, which I like to do when using my Mac, but this will in turn also lower the download speed for Steam. I'd suggest still limiting the download speed, as other apps or downloads on your Mac could encounter issues when Steam is using up the entirety of your bandwidth. Lastly, your speed can be limited due to your ISP or NetMin on your network. Ensure yourself that there are no download limits in place on your local network. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.